Hey showstoppers, welcome. Today I'm going to unbox my newly bought red tape walking shoes for women, and I am so excited. And this is the box that came in, and the condition is pretty. Sorry. The condition is not so good of the box, but I like the box overall. I have exchanged it, and the first box was worse than this one. So this is what its inside looks like. I have already opened it just to make sure the size is correct. And yeah, after opening the paper, you can see the gorgeous looking black shoes with pink thread work on them. I don't know. The pink pop gives a, you know, gorgeous kind of look for the shoes. So my exchange story was like that. According to the charts, my length of the feet was 23.5, and according to the chart, it was 3 UK size. So I bought that, but it barely made my feet enter into it. So I replaced it with the 5 size shoes, and I'm so dumb. I usually wear the 5 size, but I don't know what came into my mind, and I decided to buy 3. But look at these shoes, and this is how it looks on my feet. It is perfect. The fit is mwah. And look at the color. I always wanted a black shoes, but without making it seem like I'm wearing that school uniform shoes that we wore with white socks. Yeah, I don't want that, but I think I have achieved something here. I know it looks cooler, and I always wanted a shoe with no white band at the bottom of the feet. uh, I don't know what to say that part of the shoes, but all the shoes come in that form. And I have found the love of my life. I have found the shoe that I wanted. This is what it looks like from beneath. I'll link everything that I have mentioned, and bye for now.